Hello, hope you guys are doing okay. I promised I'd do a video on pulse width modulation. One of the ways that we control speeds of DC motors is with pulse width modulation. We showed you how it was done with resistors. A lot of cars still use resistors today, but some of them are starting to switch over to the PWM controls. It's electronics. It's actually fairly simple. So I have here today, I got my airplane motor, DC. I got my Phototac. I got Pico over here hooked up, you can see down here. And I also have my USB multimeter so we can see all the different things going on here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to fire this thing up. Okay, you can see here the pulses. This is high and there's low. The wider that high part gets, the faster the motor will spin. This voltage coming in will never change, and the frequency won't change with this type of pulse width modulation. The only thing will change is the width of that pulse. So I got about 10 volts coming in here right now. With that pulse at that width, it's averaging about 1.3 volts to the motor. So let's look at the RPM right now. About 2,700 Rs. Okay, I'm going to increase just the width of the pulse, no change in the input voltage and no frequency change. So as I increase that width of the pulse, you heard the RPMs pick up. You also saw it on the tachometer. I was up to 8,000 RPM. My voltage was 4.5, 5 volts. There's more I could put into that to get it to go even faster, but that just demonstrates how the width of the pulse actually will change the RPM of a DC motor. Okay, so I hope that helps. It's just the basics of pulse width modulation, and I think that's it for right now. Well, hopefully see you guys sometime here in the future. Thank you.